The next topic is famous places. Here we will discuss important places and important questions belonging to famous places. So let's start. First question. The famous lagoon lake of India is, it is Chilka Lake. The option is correct. The Raisina Hills. Where is Raisina Hills? Raisina Hills are located where Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated. A option is correct. Next question. Which of the following passes lie in the Satluj Valley? It is Sipkila. C option is correct. Where is Khyber Pass situated? It is situated in Pakistan. Where is Panjshir Valley situated? It is situated in Afghanistan. Which one of the following rivers flows through a rift valley? It is Narmada. Duncan Passage is located between South and Little Andaman. A option is correct. India lies in the Dash hemisphere. India lies in the northern and eastern hemisphere. A option is correct. Which of the following mountain ranges in India are the oldest? The mountain range is Arauli, that is the oldest mountain range. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Islands? The country is Myanmar. At 2 and 1 by 2 at 82 and half east longitude is geographically significant to India because it determines the Indian Standard Time. A option is correct. Where are Saltora ranges located? These are located part of the Karakoram ranges. The option is correct. Which of the following is not a part along the western coast of India? It is Tuticorin. Which of the following processes is responsible for producing the sand dunes in western Rajasthan? It is wind deposition. C option is correct. Which part of Himalayas has the maximum stretch from east to west? It is Nepal Himalayas. The standard time of a country differs from the GMT in multiples of hours, half hours. The standard time of India is 5:12 hours, 5.12 hours ahead of GMT. A option is correct. Next question. The Indian subcontinent was originally a part of Gondwana land. Naga, Khashi and Garo hills are located in Purvanchal ranges. Which one of the following mountain ranges lies in India? The range is Pir Panjal. Which one of the following is the highest peak? It is Nanda Devi, that is the highest peak. Nathula, a place where India-China border trade has been resumed after 44 years, is located on the Indian border in Sikkim. Option is correct. In terms of area, India is the 10th largest country of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world. The approximate length of the coastal line of India is 7,000 kilometers. India has a coastal line of 7,500 kilometers. C option is correct. Baltora Glacier is located in Karakoram ranges. Which of the following cities towns lies to the northernmost latitude? It is Patna. A option is correct. Which of the following will never get the vertical rays of sun? It is Srinagar. The option is correct. The Andaman group and Nicobar group of islands are separated from each other by 10-degree channel. A option is correct. The southern tip of India is Indra Point in Nicobar Islands. In which state is the Maikala range situated? These are situated in Chhattisgarh. The latitude passing through the northernmost part of India is in 35 degree north. Nallamala hills are located in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The coastal tract of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu is called Coromandel. The option is correct. The highest Indian waterfall is Gersopa. The option is correct. Indian Standard Time relates to 82.5 degree east longitude. The option is correct. The length of India's coastal line is about 7,500 kilometers. Which one of the following is the second highest peak of the world? It is K2. C option is correct. Where in India can mushroom rock be found? It can be found in the Thar Desert. C option is correct. Budland topography is characteristic of Chambal Valley. A option is correct. Indian desert is called Thar. Loktak is a lake. Which one of the following state has the longest coastal line? The state is Gujarat. C option is correct. The pass located in Himachal Pradesh is Sipkila. Majuli, the largest river island in the world, lies in the state of Assam. B option is correct. The Thar Express goes to Pakistan. Kanchenjunga is situated in Sikkim. Which one of the following is a coastal district in Kerala? It is Kovalam, that is a coastal district in Kerala. In the northeast of Deccan Plateau is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The southern tip of India is Indira Point in Nicobar Islands. Where did a major earthquake take place in India in 1999? It took place in Chamoli. C option is correct. The important fishing harbour in India is Cohin. The largest brackish water lake of India is in the state of Odisha. Arakan Yoma is the extension of Himalayas located in Myanmar. The Valley of Kashmir is located on a Nepi. A option is correct. Next question. Which one of the following factors is the main reason for the peninsula rivers to flow towards east? The reason is Eastern Ghats are lower than the Western Ghats. The option is correct. Park Strait separates India and Sri Lanka. C option is correct. Next question. Diego Garcia is an island in the Indian Ocean. Mansarovar Lake is situated in Tibet. C option is correct. Guru Shikhar on the Abu Hills is the highest peak of which mountain ranges? It is the highest peak of Aravallis. Kalu Valley in India is famous for cultivation of apples. C option is correct. Which of the following hills connect Eastern and Western Ghats? The hill is Nilgiri Hills. An example of Horsoi shaped coral islands in the neighborhood of India is Lakshadweep. C option is correct. Which is the highest peak to the south of Vindhyas? The peak is Anaimudi. C option is correct. Which place is closest to Tora Bora? So the place is Jalalabad. The option is correct. Next question. Mansarovar Lake is situated in China. C option is correct. Next question. In which of the following states in Jog Falls located? Jog Falls are located in Karnataka. Which of the following places will not get the rays of the sun vertically? The place is Srinagar. The fertile land between two rivers is called Doab. The coast that belongs to Kerala is known as Coromandel Coast. The Jojila Pass connects Srinagar and Leh. Match first list with second list and select the correct using its code given below the list. List 1 and list 2. Pulicat Lake, Chilka Lake, Wooler Lake, Sambar Lake and the respective states have been given here. We will have to match all these. So first, Pulicat Lake is located in Tamil Nadu. Chilka Lake is located in Odisha. Wooler Lake is located in Kashmir and Sambar Lake is located in Rajasthan. A option is correct. Next question. The eastern coastal plain is also called as Coromandel Coastal Plain. The highest waterfall of India is Jog Falls. The option is correct. Next question. The sea which existed in the place of the Himalayas was sea. So option is correct. The Park Strait lies between Bay of Bengal and Gulf of Mannar. The Kulu Valley is situated between Ladakh and Pir Panjal. Who prepares the topographical maps of India? It is prepared by Survey of India. The mountains which are not a part of Himalayan chain are Aravalli. A option is correct. Godwin Austen is an peak. The option is correct. Is a peak. The option is correct. Guru Shikhar is a highest peak of the Aravalli. The option is correct. In which state is Jog Falls located? Jog Falls are located in Karnataka. C option is correct. Jojila Pass connects Leh and Srinagar. Which of the following is highest peak in undisputed Indian territory? The peak is Nanda Devi. Palghar joins which of the following states? The state is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. The northern part of west coast is known as, it is known as Konkan coast. C option is correct. Central highlands of Indian peninsular block are formed of, these are formed of ingenious and metamorphic rocks. C option is correct. In which state is the Guru Shikhar peak located? It is located in Rajasthan. Which of the following states has the longest coastal line in India? The state is Gujarat. Chilka Lake is located in, it is located in Odisha. The highest peak in India is, it is K2 Godwin Austen. Saddle Peak, the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, is located in, it is located in North Andaman. India's area is about dash times larger than Pakistan. It is about 4 times larger than Pakistan. Which Himalayan peak is also called Sagarmatha? The peak is Mount Everest. C option is correct. A narrow strip of land that connects two larger land masses is called, this is called isthmus. The option is correct. Next question. Teeny marine animals which constitute limestone skeletons are called, these are called coral reefs. The highest mountain peak in peninsular India is, it is Anaimudi. The greater Himalayas is otherwise called as, it is called as Himadri. The highest waterfall of India is in the state of, Karnataka. Which of the following is referred as Jungfall Mountains? These are Himalayas. Which of the following highest plateau in India is Ladakh Plateau? The easternmost peak of Himalayas is, it is Kanchenjunga. Metamorphism changes rocks. Metamorphism changes rocks structure and texture both. C option is correct. Next question. What is the total area of India? The total area of India is 3,287,590 square kilometers. The option is correct. Next question. The two richest ecozones of India are, these are the Himalayas and the Western Ghats. How many islands are there in Lakshadweep? There are total of 36 islands. Which of the following statements is correct? The statement Mahodeo Hills are in the west of Maikala Hills. A option is correct. Niyamgiri Hill is located in Kalahandi district of Odisha. Pachmeri Biosphere Reserve is in, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Which hill station's name means place of thunderbolt? The hill station is Darjeeling. Park Strait is situated between, it is situated between India and Sri Lanka. To conserve coral reefs, the government of India declared one of the following as marine park. It is Gulf of Kutch. The headquarters of the Survey of India department is located at, is it located at Dehradun? Which of the following states having longest coastal line in India? The state is Gujarat. Which of the following is formed out of volcanic eruption in India? It is Deccan Plateau. The plateau that has both west and east flowing drainage system is, it is Malwa. Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following Indian states? It passes through Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. C option is correct. Next question. The tropical deciduous plant special to the Deccan Plateau is, it is sandalwood. C option is correct. If in the east it is Gahur Moti, in the north it is Siachen Glacier, and then in the south it is Indra Point. The option is correct. Which of the following rock formation resulted in Eastern Ghats? The rock formation is Carnocrates, Granite Niche, Quartzite Rock, Khondrolites and Metamorphic Gneisses. The option is correct. Next question. The Himalayas are also known by the name Fall Mountains. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? The river is Narmada River. The outermost range of Himalaya is called, it is called Dehradun. Continuous chain of mountains that rise abruptly more or less parallel to coastal line of India is, it is Western Ghats. India shares longest international boundary with which country? It shares with Bangladesh. The Himalayas is the example of fault mountain. Which of the following areas or regions is the most prone to earthquake? The region is Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. Which country is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar? The country is Sri Lanka. Where do the western and eastern Ghats meet? These meets in Nilgiri Hills. The longest sea beach is in India is, it is Mariana Beach. Nanda Devi Peak is located in the Uttarakhand state. The Andaman is separated from Nicobar by which water body? It's separated from 10-degree channel. The range that acts as watershed between India and Turkestan is Karakoram. So option is correct. The northern part of the west coast in India is known as Konkan coast. The mountain range which divides the north and the south India is Vindhyas. Mount Abu is a hill station located in Aravalli ranges. Which of the following rivers make an estuary? The river is Narmada. Asia's first underground hydel project is located in which of the following states in India? It is located in Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following is a river flowing from central India and joining Yamuna Ganga? It is Betwa. Girna project is situated in Maharashtra. Arrange the following rivers from south to north. So the first river is Kaveri, then Krishna, then Godavari, and then Mahanadi. D option is correct. Farakka Barrage was commissioned to save Kolkata port. Match the dams and the river across which those have been constructed. Dam and river have been given here. We will have to match them. First, Gandhi Sagar Dam. Gandhi Sagar Dam is constructed on Chambal River. Jayakwadi Dam is constructed on Godavari River. Nagarjun Dam is constructed on Krishna River, and Tehri Dam is constructed on Bhagirathi River. A option is correct. Next question. Match the dams and the river across which those have been constructed. Farakka, Tehri, Tehin and Nagarjun, Krishna, Ravi, Ganga and Bhagirathi. So the first Farakka Dam is constructed on Ganga River. The Tehri Dam is constructed on Bhagirathi River. Thain Dam is constructed on Ravi River, and Nagarjun Dam is constructed on Krishna River. C option is correct. River Damodar is called Sorrow of Bengal because it gets flooded, often causing havoc. A option is correct. On which river has the Hirakund Dam been built? It has been built on Mahanadi. The highest multipurpose dam built on the river Ravi is Ranjit Sagar Dam. The longest river of peninsular India is Godavari. Which from the following rivers does not originate in Indian territory? The river is Ghagra. Match the dams and the states on which they are situated. Dams and states will be matched here. The dam Hirakund is situated in Almaty state, and the Mahanadi Dam is situated in Tamil Nadu. Chhattisgarh Dam is situated in Mattur, and Karnataka Dam is situated in Odisha. Next question. Which of the following rivers does not originate in the Indian territory? It is Brahmaputra. Match the dams and the river across which those have been constructed. So the first is Ukai Dam. Ukai Dam is constructed on Tapti River. Rana Pratap Sagar Dam is constructed on Chambal River. Thain Dam is constructed on Ravi River, and Hirakund Dam is constructed on Mahanadi River. Next question. The largest irrigation canal in India is called the Indira Gandhi Canal. Which of the following canals is located in West Bengal? The canal is Eden Canal. Where is Thala hydroelectric project, which is expected to generate 1020 megawatt power located? It is located in Bhutan. Which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? The pairs is Sabrigiri project, Gujarat. It is wrongly matched. Sardar Sarovar Dam is being built on the river Narmada. In which part of India canal irrigation system is the most common? The part is Uttar Pradesh. Tehri Dam receives water from which of the following rivers? It receives water from Bhagirathi River. Which state is irrigated by Ganga Canal? The state is Uttar Pradesh. What is the longest irrigation canal in the India called? It is Indira Gandhi Canal. Which on one of the following pairs is correctly matched? The pair is Ukai project, Gujarat. Of which major river system is the Satluj a part? The river system is Indus river system. Which state has the largest proportion of its net irrigation area under well irrigation? The state is Gujarat. Which one of the following hydroelectric projects does not belong to Tamil Nadu? It is Idukki. Where is Nathpa Jhakri power project located? It is located in Himachal Pradesh. The confluence of the rivers Alaknanda and Bhagirathi is known as, it is known as Devprayag. The river also known as Shangpo in Tibet is Brahmaputra. Which dam of India is the highest? It is Bhakra Dam. In India, the irrigation of agricultural land is carried out maximum by wells. Which of the following rivers make an estuary? The river is Narmada. C option is correct.